Another great benefit with a greenhouse is enhanced plant productivity. A greenhouse provides a controlled environment that optimizes plant growth, resulting in healthier plants and increased yields. One of the key advantages of a greenhouse is the ability to create optimal growing conditions for your plants. With the ability to regulate temperature, humidity, and lighting, you can provide your plants with the ideal environment for their specific needs. The controlled environment inside a greenhouse protects your plants from extreme temperatures, ensuring steady and consistent growth. Plants are shielded from adverse weather conditions that can hinder their growth, such as excessive heat, cold, or heavy rains. The enhanced plant productivity in a greenhouse is evident in the faster growth rates and increased yields. By providing the optimal conditions for your plants, a greenhouse allows you to cultivate a wider range of plant species throughout the year. The controlled environment also enables you to implement advanced gardening techniques, such as vertical gardening and space optimization. Through succession planting, you can continuously utilize your greenhouse space, planting new crops as others are harvested, resulting in a continuous harvest cycle. With the ability to exercise precise control over variables such as light, water, nutrients, and space, greenhouse gardening offers unparalleled opportunities for increased plant productivity. Follow for more instructional videos where we explore the additional benefits of greenhouse gardening. For a free class on greenhouse gardening, send me a DM greenhouse or go to the link in my bio.